So today I have this easy wearable smoky eyeshadow tutorial for moms on the go or for anyone. If you'd like to see how I got it, keep watching. So my goal for this look is to create smoky eyeshadow for any eye shape that is simple, easy to follow, and minimal eyeshadows applied. So I'm just going to be using one palette. This is just an Old Beach Cosmetics. It's called Bronze Paradise. This is going to go in my crease, and this is going to go all over the lid. So I'm going to just take the first shade all over the lid, just sweeping it all over. I'm going to just buff it in the crease, just to create some definition. I'm only using 2 shades, so depending on the amount that you pick up and the pressure that you put on your brush and the type of brush that you're using, you can use one shade and just use it in different ways and create more dimension that way instead of using multiple shades. So that's what I'm doing. I did a soft coat all over the lid, and now I'm using the same color and just deepening that up for my crease. So I'm just buffing it out in the inner corner, and then when I get to the outer corner, sweeping it outwards. Okay, now that we got that all over the lids, shimmery shade, and apply this all over. Center of the lid, and then just going upward, bringing it all the way to the top, all the way to the brow bone. Same shape as the big fluffy brush, just a little bit smaller, and I'm going to take the first matte brown shade that we went in with, and I'm going to just buff it underneath the eyes. I'm going to take a black pencil liner. This one is from Urban Decay in shade 0. Anything in your waterline. Run it along my lash line on the top of my lid, very, very close to my lashes. So this eyeliner is really going to make the smoky look since we aren't using any dark eyeshadows. Smudge that out. I'm going to take it and sort of use the brush to just smudge up and out. I'm not adding any extra eyeliner or eyeshadow. I'm just smudging it in the direction that I want. I'm going to actually take one more shade, so I'm just going to take this shimmery shade. It was right next to the one we used, so this was our crease, this was all over the lid, and then I'm going to take this. It's just a little bit darker than that one, but it's also shimmery, and I'm going to take that one on the smudger brush, and then I'm going to just take it under the lashes. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, stick around and subscribe if you want to see future content like this. Catch you in my next video.